Good morning, children. In last class, we have discussed the story of Ben's Christmas wish. Today, I am going to continue the story. See, children, in this lesson, we are talking about the boy Ben and his family affairs. Ben wants to celebrate Christmas with his father, but his father moving to Australia. So the boy is feeling very sad and he is missing his father so much. So his mother said, no problem, we will be having so much fun without dad also. This pleasing word she told to Ben. Move to the next paragraph. Fun without dad. Why don't you write a letter to Santa Claus? Said mom. So, boy saying, how can I enjoy the festival without my dad, mom? Like that he gave answer to his mother. But what she said? If you are willing so much for your father, why don't you write a letter for Santa Claus? So, Santa Claus will come and give you many gifts. So you can write a letter to Santa Claus. Like this she gave a suggestion to the Ben. What did he want for Christmas? A car, a train set, a puppy, chocolate cake, new shoes. So, whatever you want, you please write a letter to Santa Claus so he may give gifts to you like this. His mother told to him. But the boy want all of this. But instead of this, he want his father the most. Okay, he wanted all of this. But most of all, he wanted dad to be. So he want his father to attend the festival. But not any of that gifts. Ben wrote his letter to Santa. He put it under his pillow, then he shut his eyes and wished hard. And he is willing for comeback of his father. He wrote like that in the letter and he wished for Santa to give that gift to him for Christmas. So what happened? And he wrote like this and he put the letter under the pillow and he slept nicely. The next morning when Ben was eating breakfast, he heard a car coming in. Who could it be? It was Dad. Ben couldn't believe it. It was snowing too much, said Dad. We couldn't fly in this weather. Yippee, said Ben. His wish had come true and that Christmas, Ben and Dad built the biggest snowman ever. See, children, he wrote a letter to Santa Claus, no? After that, in the morning, when he having his breakfast, he heard a car sound. So, he said, who is that? Who is coming inside? So, surprisingly, he can see his father coming inside. And father said it was very snowing outside. In this weather, flights can't fly, so I am back to home. And the boy said he was very happy. And he jumped a lot and he said, I wish for my father. So my wish has become true, real. So, and he enjoying the moment and he and Dad built the biggest snowman ever. Like this, the story ends with a happy ending. I hope, children, you would like this story. As children, coming to the first part of the story, when I am starting asking questions, I asked different questions about the story. Now, we will answer to that questions. What do you think Ben wants for Christmas? Yes, he wants his father to be at home. Okay then, where do you think the story will take place? Yes, it takes place in the snow area. Who are the characters in this story? Ben is the main character. Father and mother are the support characters of the story. When is Christmas celebrated? Christmas is celebrated in the month of December. These are the questions which I asked previously when I am starting asking questions. And now I cleared all the answers for the questions. And here we can understand like different questioning words which I asked you to ask different questions. The questioning words are the thing which we learn in this lesson. Today's homework, write these new words 2 times in your class workbook and glossary 1 time. Bye children, have a nice day, take care, see you.